Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve financial literacy quickly step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current financial knowledge. Identify key areas you want to improve, such as budgeting, investing, and debt management. Set specific goals for what you want to achieve in your financial literacy journey. Choose reliable resources like books, online courses, or podcasts focused on financial education. Dedicate time each week to read, listen, or watch content that expands your understanding. Engage with financial communities, such as forums or social media groups, to gain diverse perspectives. Practically apply what you learn by creating a budget or tracking your expenses. Consider using budgeting apps to make the process more manageable and interactive. Research and understand different types of investments, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Start small with investment platforms or apps that allow for manageable entry points. Seek advice from financial experts through consultations or workshops, if possible. Evaluate your financial goals regularly and adjust your learning direction as needed. Create a personal finance plan to outline your short-term and long-term financial objectives. Practice mindful spending by questioning each purchase and its necessity. Stay updated on financial news and trends to understand the broader economic landscape. Continuously reflect on your progress and celebrate your milestones in financial literacy. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your financial knowledge quickly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.